the two questions we have here, and we are told to differentiate respect. And this one is having power 4. This will be equal to, for the first one, the power will come to the front times the expression, the base, and then the power minus 1 times the derivative of the expression. And this will give us differentiate this one. We're going to have 4 times 2x plus 2, okay, times this one. That starts for that one. For the second one, so this will be equal to ddx of let's just go on sec 3x. This will be equal to, this will be ddx of sec of the function, okay, times the derivative of the composite function. So that will be ddx of what, of 3x. And if you differentiate your, it's going to give you sec 3x and then tan 3x, and then the derivative of this one is equal to 3. So this will be your answer. And we can solve this one in two ways. We can give it a letter. Can make the question that let y be equal to this. This one is the same as x squared plus 1, and then everything squared. The final conclusion, the y, the x will be equal to, the 2 will go to the front times x squared plus 1, and then times the derivative of the composite function. So this is going to give us 2 sec the function. When you differentiate the sec, if you differentiate sec, it's going to give you sec function, and then tan and the function times the derivative of this one is what, is 2x. Don't forget derivative of ddx of sec x will give you sec x tan x. So on the final note, for the answer, we're going to have 2 times 2x, that's 4x. Then sec is 0. Sec is 0, making 2. That will be sec squared the function, okay, and then tan s squared plus 1. And that finishes the solution to that question. Okay, please, if you have a comment, you can forward it in the comment section. But if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please do so right now. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Another one we have here, differentiate this function. We have to differentiate this. What we do for this one to get the derivative or differential coefficient, we can write this as tan ddx of tan 3x. We can write it as this in this form. It's the same thing. It's the same. This will give us the power will go to the front tan the function. Okay, don't forget the power 3 minus 1, that's 2. Derivative of the root function. Derivative of tan x, okay, tan the function, okay, then times derivative of the opposite function. So that's on that case, and this will give us 3 times square 3x minus 4. We differentiate tangents, that will give you sec square the function, and the derivative of this one is what will give you 3. So we're having 9 tan square 3x minus 4 sec square 3x minus 4. And that is that on that question. Then differentiate with respect to x, x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 to the power 4. Okay, so this is what we have. So let's let y be equal to x plus 1 times this one. So this involves combinations of product rule with functions of functions, whereby my u is x plus 1, and then the u, the x in this case is 1, and then my v is the second one. And if you differentiate this one with respect to its function, the power will go to the front times the expression, the base, then the power minus 1 times the derivative of the base times 2. So dy, the u, keep the first one constant, differentiate the second one, okay, plus the one you are differentiating here, you keep it constant, differentiate, and you differentiate your u. So the next thing to do now is to plug in. Your u is what? X plus 1 times your dv dx, which is 8. This is your dv dx, which is 8 times 2x minus 1 to the power 3, and then plus your v in this case is 2x minus 1 to the power 4, okay, and then times the u dx. The du dx is what? Is 1.